So I think I saved the best one for last for you guys, and that is avoid being overly ambitious, especially if you're just getting started and you're a beginner at cutting your own hair. I've seen this happen so often on social media. So many people have sent me photos of their befores and of their afters, or just they're in the comment section. I don't know if they're trolls or what the problem is, but so many people having zero haircut experience just want to dive right in to giving themselves a skin fade or super close to skin fade, having absolutely never cut their own hair before, or maybe they did it once or twice before. What you want to do is hold yourself accountable, recognize and have the awareness, look at yourself in the mirror and say, I'm a beginner, I'm an intermediate, or I'm advanced. Can I handle giving myself an advanced level self haircut as a beginner, right? If I've never even given myself a haircut before, maybe it's probably a good idea to start off with a buzz cut, or to start off by using a number 2 guard on the sides and back and trying to blend in the rest using your thinning shears, right? So maybe like a 2-step process. Number 2 guard on the sides and back, thinning shears to blend in the hair to the length on top, right? 2-step process, beginner haircut. Same thing with a buzz cut. Let's say you want to do a buzz cut. 2 guard all the way around your head, done. And then you know what you could do after that? Grab the trimmer, line yourself up so that it looks a little bit more tidy and clean. If you're a beginner, those are 2 example haircuts that you should be looking to give yourself, all right? If I've never touched a clipper and used the mirror setup and used the lights and did any of this stuff and had any of the motions done before in the past, why am I going to try and give myself such a ridiculously difficult haircut when I've never even given myself an easy haircut, right? Why would I do something so difficult having skipped all the steps in between and all the failures and lessons that I missed, that I'm going to face? I'm going to fall on my face real fast the second I start doing this difficult thing because I skipped all of these things, right? I skipped all of these lessons that I could have learned from beginner to intermediate to advanced, and I'm giving myself this super hard haircut right now. So don't be, don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. You don't want to be overly ambitious, okay? Recognize, have the awareness of where you are in your self-haircutting career, right? How good do you think you are? And do you think you're actually capable of doing advanced haircuts when you've only cut your hair once or twice or maybe even never before? Make sure you have the awareness. If you're a beginner, do beginner haircuts. If you're more intermediate, do intermediate haircuts. If you're an advanced self-haircutter, give yourself whatever you want, because at that point you know how to do it all, okay? So don't be overly ambitious. Have the self-awareness, hold yourself accountable, and do the haircuts that you know you're going to be able to do.